The world is filled with data, business-related and otherwise. While organizations obviously want to take advantage of this in driving their decision-making, the process is not without challenges. Consider a hospital facing a decision about replacing its ultrasound machines. Using wireless sensors, it was able to measure exactly how long it takes to perform an exam using new machines, helping it decide whether to switch permanently. But the data was surprising. The new device took longer to use than the older one. What the hospital had not accounted for was a pre-existing difference between novice and experienced technicians. Novice technicians, who were naturally slower than the experienced ones, chose to use the newer device, and this skewed the data, confounding technician experience with the speed of the device and rendering the data useless for making their decision. They had to start their data gathering over again. To make effective data-driven decisions, there are key practices that need to be followed. The foundation for successful analytics programs is the data. As the hospital example shows, without the use of good quality data input, it's impossible to obtain useful results. Gathering data from reliable sources, analyzing it professionally with critical eyes, is necessary to knowing that decision-making is based upon solid, verified, and pertinent information. Further, organizations should be data-driven in everything they do. There should be no question as to which parts of the company should be using data analytics. They all should. For most successful organizations, even the smallest business decisions must be grounded in fact. This means making a habit of data curation and making sure the information gathered is analyzed, disseminated, and stored where it is accessible to all. Failure to do so means failure to capitalize on your greatest resources. Additionally, performing meaningful data analysis shouldn't be considered a solo operation. Information should not be siloed. Data analysis should not be left exclusively to either the business side or IT side. Organizations must ensure collaboration between business and IT while remaining mindful of potential privacy risks. It's also important to remember that data-driven decision-making is not a once-off event. As they grow or merely continue to stay in business, companies will have ever more data available, allowing them to develop new and deeper business insights. They should continuously document what worked and what didn't, leaving a clear record to draw and build on. The record can then be used to benchmark results for industry and internal comparison, allowing the company to see their improvement and pave the way for further success. There is no one master roadmap for use in becoming a more data-driven company, but following these best practices will set a business on the path to its own specific success story.